Okay, today is Tuesday, September 11th, 2012. So it's 11 years now since that fateful day in New York City. What a coincidence. I had the appointment at the consulate set today. I thought it was next Tuesday. Come on, Bruno. And I had to change it at 2 in the morning because I realized going to the toilet that I set it for the next day. I didn't have the passport picture, so I made it for Friday. So we're going for the first walk, and we're going to get his passport picture for the U.S. I don't know if he's eligible, but let's go there with everything. Filled out 3 different forms for the birth abroad, social security card, and U.S. passport. Nightmare. I have to prove my divorces, citizenship, the Army DD 214. It's good enough for that. I mean, it's paper. And then the Slovak embassy called and said we have to call them back at 1. She forgot. Stupid, dumb. I won't say it. Morgan. I saw that guy outside. I didn't know. Wasn't sure if he lived in our building. I'm going to take the front or the back?
I don't care.
Okay, it's over. Now I figured out how to put this damn thing together. It's not so bad at all. You think it's here yet? He's rolling, Eva. He's rolling away. Bruno. Entlassungsbericht. Okay. Save that with his papers. Okay, we'll video some more then when we're at the passport place. Okay?
Picture of the camera in the garden.
Why don't you put his head on the other side? Okay, till later.